Namaste everyone. Today we are making open-faced vegetable masala bread toast. So enjoy your vegetable sandwich for breakfast, a snack or even a light meal. Let's see how to make this recipe. Firstly, to a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have used coconut oil. Keeping the flame on medium heat, let the oil heat up. Once the oil gets hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter. To this, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry this for a minute. As the cumin seeds splutter and turns aromatic, to this add 2 to 3 green chilies chopped into very fine pieces, 6 to 8 garlic chopped very finely, and 1 inch ginger grated. So make sure to chop the green chili very finely, because if kids are eating this, they might find it spicy. So when we fry it in oil, the spice level will come down. To this, add 2 finely chopped onion. Fry these onions until they become slightly soft. 2 to 3 minutes should be good enough. No need to fry them until golden brown, because we will be frying the onions with the vegetables later. Add 1 carrot finely grated so that they blend better with the other ingredients. Fry this for 2 to 3 minutes until carrots will become soft. To this, add 1 capsicum cut into small even pieces. This will add crunch to our sandwich. Also, add 1 cup cabbage finely grated. I have used a box grater to grate the cabbage, or you can also use the chips slicer. Just make sure that the cabbage is finely chopped. Now fry these vegetables for 6 to 8 minutes. By that time, the capsicum would have cooked 80% and the crunch will still be there. We don't want the vegetables to be too soft. We need some crunch in them. To this, add salt as per taste. I have used 1 teaspoon salt. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Turmeric powder will give a nice aroma, also a nice color to the sandwich. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder. This is optional, so you can skip it because we have also used green chilies. Add half a teaspoon garam masala. This will give nice aroma and flavor to the sandwich. Mix all these ingredients well and fry for about 1 or 2 minutes until the spices are cooked. Since we didn't use tomato in this recipe, we will be using lemon to give that sour taste to the toast. So just squeeze half a lemon and give it all a good mix and cook for around 1 minute or so. Add 2 tablespoons coriander leaves finely chopped. This will also give a nice aroma to the toast. Finally, add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. This is optional, but if kids are having the toast, then they will prefer tomato ketchup. So I've used this 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Trust me, it will be amazing. And that's it. Our sandwich masala is ready. Let's prepare the toast. To a cast iron pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee. Keep the flame on medium-low heat and spread the ghee and let the ghee and the pan heat up. Once the pan is nice and hot, place the slice of bread. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Then add 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee over one side of the slice and then flip it over. Press lightly with the spatula to ensure even toasting. Toast for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. As you can see, the toast is nice and golden on both the sides. Now spread the sandwich filling evenly on the slice of the bread. Keep the flame on low and then spread this filling evenly and cook for around 1 minute. Since the vegetables are already cooked, we don't need to cook it further. There you go. Our open faced vegetable toast is ready to serve. You can have it as it is, or you can also savor it with tomato ketchup and green chutney on the side. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, share this recipe with your family and friends. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.